Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video we're going to check out how to calculate your net worth in Bright. Do you want to know exactly where you really stand financially? Bright makes it easy to calculate your net worth by combining your assets and liabilities in one clear view. Start by opening the Bright app and logging into your account. From the main dashboard, you're going to tap on the Insights or Wealth tab. This is where you're going to find your financial summary. Next, locate the section that's labeled Net Worth and tap to open it up. Now you're going to need to enter or review your financial data. Bright automatically pulls in linked accounts like your bank balance, investment accounts, and cash savings. These are your assets. To add other assets like properties or valuables, just tap Add Assets and enter the estimated value manually. Now let's add your liabilities. This is exactly what you owe. This includes credit card debt, student loans, mortgages, or just personal loans. Bright will likely import these from your linked account. If not, you can just tap Add Liabilities and input the amounts manually. Once everything is added, Bright will automatically subtract your total liabilities from your total assets, and that number is your net worth. You can view this over time and even see a progress chart showing how your net worth changes month to month. Updating this regularly helps you stay focused on reducing debt and growing your wealth. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and share the video for more easy financial tips with Bright. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.